In Nigeria, spices are more than ingredients. They are memory. They are celebration. They are the invisible threads that tie generations together around a steaming pot of jollof rice or a bubbling bowl of pepper soup. The aroma of crayfish and thyme rising from the kitchen, the smoky heat of suya spice drifting through evening air. These scents tell stories of weddings and naming ceremonies, of Sunday lunches, of festive holidays where everyone eats a little more and laughs a little louder. In many homes, spice blending is not written down. It is shown. A pinch here, a handful there, a taste, a nod, an adjustment. Knowledge passes from mothers to daughters, fathers to sons, aunties to eager grandchildren watching closely by the stove.
For many home cooks today, both in Nigeria and across the diaspora, recreating those deeply authentic flavors can feel frustrating. You follow the recipe exactly, but something is missing. The stew tastes yet flat. The pepper soup lacks depth. The jollof rice doesn't quite sing. Sometimes the problem isn't the recipe itself, it's the spices. The ratios may be unclear, the quality may vary, or the blending technique may not be explained at all. Without understanding how warmth, heat, sweetness, bitterness, and aroma must balance, results can feel inconsistent. One day your dish is perfect, the next it falls short. Nigeria's culinary landscape is beautifully diverse, from the bold, smoky flavors of the north to the vibrant, pepper-forward dishes of the south, from the coastal influences of the Niger Delta to the hearty soups of the east and west. You belong here. Whether you are a beginner just discovering Nigerian cooking or an experienced home cook seeking greater mastery, you belong here. You may have grown up watching spices measured by instinct, or you may be learning these flavors for the very first time. When you truly understand your spices, everything changes. Your pepper soups develop depth that warms from the inside out. Your jollof rice carries balanced heat and rich aroma. Your stews taste intentional, complete, alive. And perhaps most importantly, you cook with confidence. No guesswork, no inconsistency, just bold, authentic Nigerian flavor created by your own hands. Let us begin this journey together, honoring tradition, embracing knowledge, and bringing the true taste of Nigeria into your kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us at Grademid Nature's Table for more inspiring healthy living stories. Watch out for the next episode with confidence and pride.